Hello and welcome. To today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to upload a theme in WordPress. So first of all, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress website login page. Log in with your username and password to access the WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard. From the left hand sidebar, click on Appearance. This will expand the submenu. Click on Themes and this will take you to the Themes page. On the themes page, click on the add new button located at the top of the page and you will be taken to the add themes page where you can browse through thousands of free themes available in the WordPress theme repository. Use the search bar, filters or browser through the featured, popular and latest themes to find the one you want to install. Here you can type the theme name and then install. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to upload a theme to WordPress. So for that, click on the upload theme button. After that, click on the choose file and then select the zip folder and then click on open, and after that click on install now. And if you do not want to upload a theme, then just search, and once you have found a theme you like, hover over it and click on the install button. WordPress will install theme onto your website. After the theme is successfully installed, you will see a success message. To activate the theme, click on the activate button that appears after installation.